I think there's a decision right here that you need to face. With the King of Swords energy, I think palagi mo itong may isip or iisipin. But it's a decision right here na maaaring importante. And I think it's about ending a chapter here. An ending here of a chapter does not mean that it's an ending na talagang, alam mo yun, no? Like there's no fate at all, um, there's no enlightenment after this ending. Alam mo, pag nag-end ang new, ang chapter, nagkakaroon ng new chapter, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nun, with the world card right here, there might be a new chapter in the near future na binibuild for you or kine-create for you. Just wait and see, sweetheart. I think there's something here changing in your life with the Wheel of Fortune. But with the King of Swords, I think you need to make a decision. And maybe it has something to do with cutting something. Parang may kailangan kong putulin, tapusin. Pero parang hindi to magiging madali. Kasi parang ito yung klase ng energy na ipagawa mo na sa akin lahat, wag lang to. Itong bagay na to ang pinaka-importante sa akin. Kaya kong iwanan ng buong syudad, basta meron ako nito, basta dala-dala ko to. Kung ano man to, parang napakahirap nito na gawin, na alamin natin. Parang gagawin mo pa lahat ng magagawa mo para ah, i-defend ito or ilaban ito, no? Ganong klase ng energy. So, maaaring nakikita mo yung sitwasyon na yan na pinaka-importante sa buhay mo. Alamin natin, ano nga ba ito? Okay, let's go ahead. No. So, bago tayo magsimula, no, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome, welcome. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love at support na binibigay niyo sa akin. Yan, no, kung hindi niyo pa knows, meron po tayong other channels, no? Ang mga links ay nasa description box. Kaya kung interesado rin po kayong tumambay sa mga yan, welcome na welcome po kayo. So, wala tayong gender hub, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Pwede niyo pong i-flip yung roles if you want because this is general reading right here. But please just take only what resonates. Especially this case. This is not something here that happens for all. Okay? Kaya kung itong sitwasyon mo, no, then you might want to hear this out. So I'm seeing someone here. I think this is something here na mahirap gawin, lalo na sa parte mo. Yan, no? So, nakita ko rito that with this Four of Swords energy and there's this Two of Cups and reverse, just this card energy, King of Cups, and there's this Six of Pentacles energy. Kung sino man tong kadil mo, you're holding this big cup of love for this person. Pwedeng nakapagsimula ka na rin to build your future together with this person. Maraming mga plano, marami rito mga bagay na gusto mong gawin kasama tong tao na to. May mga bagay na rin kayong nasimulan na ipundar together, no? And I do pick up that this is something here. Pwedeng iba sa inyo kasal na kayo with this person here or this person here is someone na karelasyon niyo na. Yan, 'no. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, nakita ko na kung ano man 'tong bagay na ikinagugulo ng isip niya noon, maaaring ito ay malinaw na sa kanya ngayon. So, hindi naman siya yung klase ng energy na na pabigla-bigla 'no, and this person here is meron po siyang respeto sa'yo. So, talagang inalam niyang mabuti kung ano ba talaga 'tong sitwasyon na 'to na kinakaharap niya, kung ito ba talaga ay nais niyang gawin or gusto niya talagang gawin 'no, bago niya ito sabihin sa'yo. So, talagang, binusisi niyang mabuti 'no, or talagang inusisa niya rito yung mga, posible ritong makatulong sa kanya upang magkaroon ng kaliwanagan sa sitwasyon na 'to na dini-deal niya 'no. So, nakikita ko rito that with this Four of Swords energy, Two of Cups in reverse, yeah, it really makes me sad to see the Two of Cups in reverse right here. Because you know why? Kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, I think this person here with the Six of Coins energy, this person here wants to ask a favor from you. And I think ito yung klase ng pabor na ayaw mo na ipagawa sa'yo, lalo na nitong tao na 'to 'no, na sobrang mahal na mahal mo, 'no? And this favor has something to do with, let's get straight to the point here, sweetheart, 'no? Death card energy, an ending of a commitment, an ending of a relationship, an ending of you two being together. Ang favor has something to do with palayain mo siya. And you are in this type of energy that you want to defend this connection here. Like, ang daming bagay na gumugulo sa isipan mo pero hindi ka nagpadala rito 'no, sa galit mo. Bagkus yung nakita ko rito na energy na binubuga mo is because you want to keep this person here in your side. You're trying to ask na dire-diretso na magulo yung isip mo pero you're trying to be aware, you're trying to be aware in this type of situation wherein meron bang iba, ready akong patawarin ka, ready akong tanggapin ka, ano bang ginawa kong kasalanan, ready akong itama at baguhin ito, ano ba yung pagkukulang ko, sorry, pasensya ka na, and that is your energy. You're trying to look the faults from you. You're blaming yourself why this person here has to ask you that type of favor. Ang dami ng pumapasok sa isip mo. Meron ka bang iba? Kung meron man, handa akong patawarin ka, basta magstay ka lang sa life ko. May nagawa ba akong mali sa'yo? Kung meron akong nagawang mali sa'yo, handa akong baguhin ang sarili ko para lang manatili ka sa tabi ko. Anong nagawa akong mali para maitama ko ito? Handa akong magbago. Huwag ka lang mawala sa piling ko. But there's none here that you did wrong, honey. It's just that this person here, I think, dumarating talaga sa punto ng life wherein someone feels tired with the relationship. Hindi dahil maraming mga dahilan para matapos ito, kundi dahil wala na siyang pagmamahal sa'yo. Wala siyang iba, wala ka ring kasalanan, wala kang ginawa ritong hindi maganda, walang problema sa'yo. Ang problema ay ang puso niya. Hinihiling niya na maging malaya sa koneksyon na 'to. Dahil ayaw niya ritong magbigay ng kulang sa nararapat mong matanggap na pagmamahal. So this person do not want you to receive less love because he or she knows that you deserve that big love. Because alam niyang sobrang mahal na mahal mo siya. Pero this person here do not want to be someone na i-stuck ka sa ganitong klase ng koneksyon. So, walang iba. Nakikita ko, nahihilingin niya maging malaya sa'yo. Hindi dahil may iba, hindi dahil siya ay nagloko, hindi dahil meron ditong dahilan na ginawa ka upang matapos ang koneksyon ninyo, kundi talagang yung nararamdaman niya, no, para sa'yo ay nakita ko na naglaho. I'm sorry mga babes, no, kung yun yung lumabas rito. Pero I think for those of you resonating in this reading, your person here respects you a lot. At talagang inalam niyang mabuti kung talagang nawawala ba talaga yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo. Talagang inalam niya yun kasi ayaw niyang masaktan kayo. So dito nakita ko na kung sino man tong energy na to, talagang sinigurado niya muna talagang mabuti kung talaga bang gusto niya tong mangyari. Pero at the end of the day, this person here still came up with a decision not to break your heart anymore. Because he or she knows that he or she, kapag nagstay siya, mas lalo ka lamang niya ritong masasaktan. At hindi niya rin gusto, no, na hindi ka niya rito maibalikan ng pagmamahal na ibinibigay at kaya mo pang ibigay sa kanya. Yan. And this is you get so angry right here. Pwedeng yung nararamdaman mo is like, pwedeng magalit ka after this, and then this is you. Talagang in-expect mo na ibibigay ko sa'yo yung kalayaan mo. Tingin mo kaya kong gawin yun with the Two of Swords energy right here. Death card energy, Six of Coins, Nine of Swords energy. Tingin mo kaya kong ibigay yung kalayaan mo. Masyado kitang mahal para pakawalan kita. Yan. That is your defense mechanism with the Seven of Wands energy right here. You cannot let go of this person because you're holding too much love for him or her that you cannot do that. How can I let go of someone I really love? This is the hardest decision ever. And you will be in this type of situation wherein you cannot sleep ng maayos, di makabuo ng tulog ng maayos. Because you're trying to look for in the future. And then you're trying to think, no, nagbabacktrack ka rito, no, iniisip mo, ano yung mga bagay na pwedeng may na-miss ka ba? May nalampasan ka bang mga moments dito? Bakit naging ganito? Bakit nawala yung pagmamahal ng taong ito sa'yo? Wala, babe. You did not miss anything. I'm seeing here that even though you're busy with your studies or with your work, you always make time for this person. You always make sure you're there. Kailangan ka niya kahit busy ka, you're always there. Don't blame yourself just because this person here already felt this way towards you. Hindi mo kasalanan, it's not your mistake. Actually, this person here also tries na magstay eh. Because minahal ka rin niya at malaki yung respeto niya sa'yo. Hindi niya rin alam kung bakit dumating sa punto na ganito na naramdaman niya na lang na parang hindi na pala ito yung bagay na gusto niya. No? Dumadating doon sa punto na kaya natatapos kasi hindi nagiging sapat yung pagmamahal. At hindi magiging balanse kung isa lamang ang nagmamahal. Nakikita ko yun sa side mo. Your person loves you so much that he or she knows that you deserve to be loved ng kagaya ng pagmamahal na kaya mong ibigay. Ang taong to, gusto niya maging siya yun. Gusto niya maging siya yun. Like, to be honest, gusto niyang siya yung maging yun. Pero paano nga ba magiging ganun? Kung alam niya na wala na siyang nararamdaman. Is it really possible, Miss Yan, for someone here who loves me so much to end up like this? Yes. How can that be? You know what? sa tagal kong ganito, sa tagal kong nagre-read, sa tagal kong nakikita yung mga pangyayari sa buhay, isa lang ang sigurado ako. Lahat ng mga bagay ay nangyayari dahil may rason, may dahilan. At ang lahat ng dahilan na yon, maniwala ka man o hindi, yun ay positibong dahilan. Maaaring ang taong ito ay hindi talaga siya yung para sa'yo. Pero sobra ako minahal ng tao na yan, Miss Yan. Isn't it unfair for us? Unfair sa universe sa amin? Sobrang mahal ko yung tao na yan at alam ko sobrang minahal din ako ng tao na yan. Yes, you're right. Because nakita ko yon. Sobrang minahal ka ng tao na to na din how come na nag-end yung love niya for you? Like, this is something unfair to you. Yun ang sinasabi mo rito. No? But you know what? The higher power always wants the best for you. Maybe you think this person here is already the best one for you, but the universe knows kung ano yung mas nakahihigit pa sa tingin mong best for you. You might not understand it right now and you might blame here the universe like, what? Miss yan, sinabi mo, sabi ni universe, wala akong na-miss rito na moments and opportunity. Wala akong ginawa rito para magalit siya or umalis siya sa connection na to. Wala akong kahit na ano ritong fault at mistake. Then how come? Masyado naman atang road si universe pagdating sa amin. No, hindi babe. Sometimes, we need to release something even though hindi yun yung gusto nating gawin sa mga oras na yun. But I want you to know that every time we release something, we make room. We make new room for new people, new things, new situation in our lives. It's now time for you. With the Eight of Swords energy, Ace of Swords, and Seven of Pentacles. I know, but if this is your reading, you need to let each other go. Let go of this person so that you can find yourself once again. You will fall in love once again, and you will see the reason why both of you did not end up together. But for now, you need to let go. I know it's something hard for you, babe, but you need to do this. Para sa taong to na mahal mo at higit para sa sarili mo. Pretty soon, you'll realize the truth, Ace of Swords energy, of why both of you did not end up together. Because of this very one thing. The happiest place ever sa piling ng taong mararamdaman mo. Yung higit na kasiyahan na naramdaman mo sa taong nahirapan kang palayain. I know it does not make sense right now because you're still longing for this person here. But soon you will understand. Take some time. Don't be too hard to yourself. Okay? I understand where you're coming from and your feelings are all valid. Without judgment, virtual hug sa'yo, sweetheart. Okay? You always have a friend in me. Okay? So, thank you so much for your time here. Alam kong kaya mo yan. Ang lahat ng plano naghihintay sa ating lahat ay ang plano na pinaka-the best para sa atin. Kaya naman, nakita kita rito, no, na magiging pinakamasaya ka na nilalang here on earth, no? You just need to free yourself in order for you to find your way. So, thank you so much. Sarang Heyo Love and Light. Ano